So I wanted to make a real quick video because I like to find concise videos on things I need to know. This is the window assist, or the window mechanism from a 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III. I think it's about the same for 68, 67, but anyway, this is from a 69. Your your regulator goes in here, bolts with these 3 holes. Problem is you've got to rewind this spring to get enough tension on this thing to basically chop your finger off if it gets caught in it. And how do you do that safely? So the way I figured out how to do it is a screwdriver fits perfectly in this hole. There's a hole on the top here, which was probably made for something like this. So stick a screwdriver in there, screw it down with some dodgy drywall screws, maybe something better than that. And then you can pull the screwdriver out, and you've got a nice long arm here you can use for leverage, and you can wind this spring up, and that's what assists the it helps to roll the window up. Down, no problem, it's a heavy window, it goes down without issue. But if you're changing your regulator or something like that, you're gonna have to rewind this spring, and the spring is right there. So what I did was just bolt it down and, turn it probably 3 or 4 revolutions and stick the screwdriver in, and then you can carry it back out to the car and do whatever you need to do. But yeah, that's just the way I do it. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but be careful, because these things are uber dangerous once you get them, once you get the preload put on it. So just wanted to post a video to show you how I did it. Thanks.